सब लोग शुरू करें बातचीत। यार सबसे पहले तो मैं एक दफ़ा और शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा आप लोगों के, आप लोग आए। तो प्लीज़ एनी क्वेश्चंस यू हैव, प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू आस्क अस एंड वी आर मोस्ट एंग्शियस एंड एक्साइटेड। बाकी लोग कौन? उदय उदय जी जो हैं वो इस वक्त एलए में हैं और कटरीना जी कहाँ है इस वक्त मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता।
थर्ड पार्ट आ गया है फिल्म का इस तरफ। हाय
Hi.
एसीपी जय दीक्षित का प्रमोशन हुआ है या नहीं फाइनली?
G, you answered the question in your question. He's still ACP Jay Dikshit. We'll ask Amir to help us to get him promoted. But nahi. Third film, he's still an ACP.
मुझे पकड़ने के बाद जरूर डीसीपी बन जाएंगे।
हाय आमिर जी, आपका जो किरदार है वो बेहद पसंद आया।
Okay.
तो आप थोड़ा बोलना चाहेंगे उस पर, कितनी खासी मेहनत करनी पड़ी आपको उस पर?
वेल मेहनत तो बहुत करनी पड़ी क्योंकि आई एम प्लेइंग ए जिमनास्ट, तो उसके लिए एक किस्म की फिजिक चाहिए और सर्कस की थोड़ी बहुत ट्रेनिंग थी। तो इट वाज हार्ड वर्क, आई हैव टू एडमिट इट वाज हार्ड वर्क। और काफ़ी 1-2 साल तक मुझे बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट पे रहना पड़ा, ट्रेनिंग करनी पड़ी। जी
विक्टर, एक
Hi,
सवाल
I have
आपके
two
लिए।
questions.
हाँ, सामने से। हाँ हाँ।
हाँ, आपने पहले 2 फिल्मों को लिखा था, इस बार आप यू हैव बिकम डायरेक्टर ऑफ द फ्रेंचाइज, तो कैसा लगा एंड व्हाट वेर द चैलेंजेस? डिड इट इन्फ्लुएंस योर स्क्रिप्ट आल्सो?
No, it didn't influence my script. I think the important thing is first to write what you think, what the next franchise, what the next story should be, and I'm very keen to direct whatever I write. I'm quite happy with this new change. I hope you guys will be equally happy.
स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में मैं एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा। जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट सुनी पहली दफ़ा तो मैं आई वॉज रियली एक्साइटेड। और मैंने धूम 2 नहीं देखी है, लेकिन मैंने धूम 1 देखी थी, मुझे बेहद पसंद आई थी। आई रियली एन्जॉयड इट, आई रियली फेल्ट एंटरटेन्ड। समहाउ आई मिस्ड धूम 2, बट जब विक्टर ने मुझे कहानी सुनाई धूम 3 की, तो आई वॉज रियली अमेज्ड कि किस तरह से धूम फ्रेंचाइज में भी एक जज्बात लाए हैं और इतने अच्छी तरह से लाए हैं। और जज्बात भी आए हैं, इमोशंस आए हैं, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ जो उसका थ्रिल है वो बरकरार रहा है। सो आई रियली एंजॉयड द स्क्रिप्ट।
You are known as the marketing genius, and apparently, I'm sure you've given some.
He's also a
suggestions.
great actor, ma'am. Yeah.
Absolutely, that goes without saying. Of course, he wouldn't be standing here. I think. So you've also we've heard that you've suggested some suggestions to Aditya Chopra and the Yash Raj team, who also are known for their great marketing ideas, and also you've had some creative differences in the process. So any truth to that, and if they are so?
Well, I hope I have creative differences in every film that I do, but nothing major. I think that Yash Raj is a great production house. I'm really enjoying working with them, and they're very passionate about the films they do. They know the business really well. They know marketing really well. They know everything really well. So it's a great experience working with Adi and his entire team.
Abhishek, you worked now with, after John, Ritik, and now Amir. Who has been the most difficult character for Jay Dikshit, for your character, among the 3? If you had to, kind of rate them among their characters, the 3 of them, the most difficult to catch and the most complex. Now they've finished
The
shooting.
most difficult to catch.
And the complex of the 3.
Well, I think like Amir said a while ago, this is the first time we've brought a certain edge to Dhoom, as you can probably see in the trailer. Dhoom 3 has got a bit more emotion than the Dhoom franchise is used to. It's a bit edgier. I've had fun catching all 3 actually. So it's been a challenge. I think Dhoom 1 was made with a different goal in mind. It was, 3 young guys, a young director, a young writer. We were young then, Victor. Yeah. Nobody actually thought when we were making Dhoom 1 that it would turn into this huge franchise. And then we came with Dhoom 2 where we needed a larger challenge. And Dhoom 3, the only brief was make it bigger and better. I think we've achieved that. I can't say which one was more difficult to catch. I think they were all different circumstances. So they're all very different. The 3 villains have always been very different from each other. There's no similarity between them. And I really think Amir this time has pushed the envelope beyond what even we thought was possible. and full credit for him for doing that. I think he's done a brilliant job. I said it before we started shooting. I think he's done brilliant, memorable films. I think this will be his biggest and most memorable.
Amir, the stunts look very magnificently alluring, and being a perfectionist that you are, how many times did you have to break down?
हाँ breakdown.
टफ हुआ होगा ना, हड्डी वड्डी तो नहीं टूटी
अच्छा
होगी?
हड्डी वड्डी नहीं, हड्डी मेरी नहीं टूटी. स्टंट्स देखिए, आई होप कि आप लोगों को अच्छे लगें और मुझे भी लगता है अच्छे आए हैं. और जो हमारे स्टंट कोऑर्डिनेटर थे, ज़्यादातर जो मेरे स्टंट्स हुए हैं, मेरे चेस सीक्वेंसेस, थ्रिल सीक्वेंसेस सारे शिकागो में हुए हैं. तो वी हैड अ स्टंट पर्सन फ्रॉम LA who did a wonderful job. Conrad did a wonderful job, he and his entire team. But they were very safe in the way they were working. तो कोई हड्डी वड्डी नहीं टूटी, I hope.
And the scene in which Katrina has to put her leg on your shoulder.
हाँ.
She must have been nervous. How many takes did she have to do?
Actually, Katrina is a fantastic dancer. She is extremely flexible and supple. So I don't think she had a problem. She had absolutely no problem. Nervous मैं था actually. उनको कुछ नहीं problem थी.
आमिर सामने आप.
हाँ.
साल के आखिर में आ रही है फिल्म, और आपके दोस्त सलमान ने कहा है कि अभी चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस के बाद जब एक के बाद एक फिल्म आ रही है और धूम है, धूम से आमिर धमाल करेंगे, धूम मचाएंगे. कितनी धूम आपके आने के बाद इस धूम से मचेगी?
पता नहीं यार, मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है. मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं कितनी धूम मचेगी, लेकिन हम लोग चाह रहे हैं कि हम लोग एक बहुत ही कमाल की एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म आप लोगों को दें. यही कोशिश रहेगी हमारी. धूम कितनी मचेगी तो वो तो पता लगेगा 20 दिसंबर को जब फिल्म रिलीज होगी. अप टिल देन फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड.
आपने क्यों चुना विलेन बनना, वो भी धूम के साथ? तो जाहिर है कुछ आमिर को इसमें दिखा है. वो पॉइंट क्या है जो
मुझे कहानी बहुत पसंद आई. मुझे बेहद पसंद आई कहानी. और इट्स समथिंग दैट रियली टच्ड मी, एक्साइटेड मी इन एवरी वे. और धूम में मैं एक्चुअली क्लैरिफाई कर, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट पीपल टू हैव द रॉन्ग इंप्रेशन. जो आमतौर पे जो हिंदी फिल्मों के विलन होते हैं, उस किस्म का विलन होता नहीं धूम में. एक्सेप्ट आई थिंक इन धूम 1 ही वाज more conventional black and white villain. But so I don't want people to feel कि कुछ मैं villain का रोल कर रहा हूँ जो एकदम black है या जो बहुत बुरे काम करता है. उस किस्म का villain नहीं है. But I did the film because I really loved the role, and I was looking forward to the opportunity of working with Abhishek and Uday. And I must say it was a great experience. दोनों के साथ काम करके बेहद मज़ा आया.
अभिषेक, आपके लिए आमिर इस बार बतौर कलाकार साथ हैं, विलेन है, उम्मीदें भी हैं कि ACP जय दीक्षित को बहुत परेशान किया दिमागी तौर पे इन्होंने?
मैं तो ये नहीं कह पाऊंगा कि आमिर ने इस फिल्म में मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा तंग किया इन द फिल्म. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, वर्किंग ऑन द फिल्म वाज अ ड्रीम. आई मीन, मुझे याद है कि जब हम फिल्म की शूट शुरू करने वाले थे, और आप लोग शायद मुंबई में आप लोग ने पहला शेड्यूल किया था, मैं सेट पे गया था, एंड it was a wonder to see this brilliant man at work. And when you see the film, you'll just realize what a fantastic job he's done. And every day, Rose, set पे बस बैठ के उन्हें देखना, you get to learn so much. And his humility is his greatest asset as an actor. जो आदमी हम सब के साथ बैठ के हमें पूछे कि आपको क्या लगता है, मैं ये कैसे करूं, I think that's a great quality, and I hope I can learn from that and imbibe that.
So Mr. Bachchan has seen the promo of Dhoom 3. I believe Aditya Chopra showed it to him before it was available to all of us. So what was his feedback to you on your performance, and also Amir, if you have had happened?
Dad was shooting for KBC, and the set of KBC is in Yash Raj Studios. He has known Adi since Adi was, I think, brought to him in the hospital when he was born. So he has a bit of a connect with him, and Adi came to him and said, Amit uncle, I want to show you the trailer. I think the trailer just come out, right, Victor? This is, I think, day before yesterday. He didn't tell me. I think he met you.
Him.
Yeah.
He told me about it.
Yeah. And he came home, and in his usual cool style, he said, saw the promo. Awesome. So I was happy. Yeah.
That's it? Just one more?
Amitabh Bachchan saying awesome is a lot.
I think that's a lot.
That's a lot. You don't hear that every day.
And Amir, what was his response to you?
Oh, he spoke to me and he said he really loved it and he was really happy. So I was thrilled. I was really thrilled.
Also, Amir,
It's a bit of a tradition actually, क्योंकि धूम 1 जब हम बना रहे थे और धूम 1 का जो पहला थिएट्रिकल प्रोमो निकला था, यश अंकल ने खास डैड को फिल्म सिटी बुलाया था. Then there was the ad labs in Film City, and he was the first person to see the trailer. And the same thing was done with Dhoom 2. So I think since Yash Uncle is not with us anymore, Adi is keeping the tradition alive.
आमिर, धूम के साथ धुन भी आती है आपके राइट में स्पीकर के पास. आलोक, आलोक.
हाँ.
तो ये जो धुन है टिपिकल धूम फिल्म की, टाना ना
हाँ, बहुत कमाल की है.
तो ये कितनी डिफरेंट होने वाली है 3 में? मतलब
नहीं, आई होप डिफरेंट नहीं होगी यार. आप क्यों चेंज कर मानेंगे?
तो उसमें बीट्स वगैरह एक्स्ट्रा डलती हैं तो
नहीं, उसका अलग, हर दफा अलग अंदाज में आती है, बट डेफिनेटली द ट्यून इटसेल्फ, द कोर ट्यून शुड बी द सेम, बिकॉज दैट्स द ट्यून दैट वी आइडेंटिफाई विद. हमको मजा आता है जैसे ही वो ट्यून आती है, यू नो, योर ब्लड स्टार्ट्स रेसिंग. Okay, last question, final question.
Doom
Yeah.
being such an established franchise over the years, could you tell us what was one of the best things that you were looking forward to, and one of the things that you found most hard, or you were like scared about?
Well, I think for me every film is a challenge. So I think in this film again, the performance that was asked of me was a big challenge. It's a tough role, and as I said, I was looking forward to working with Abhishek and with Uday. I have not worked with them earlier. Katrina, I had never worked with Katrina earlier, so I was looking forward to working with her, and I must say we had a great time. Yeah.
I must tell you actually a small. मैं बोल दूँ? Sorry. I'm dying to say this. It's a very high point in any actor's career when suddenly your phone rings and you pick it up and it says Amir Khan on it. And I remember Amir called me and he said, "Yaar, I've just heard the script. It's superb. We'll have a great time." And I said, "Yeah, we will." He didn't know I had not heard the script. "You have a very good role, huh?" I said, "Thanks." अभी मैं उनको कैसे बताऊं कि I have not heard the script. मुझे पता भी नहीं मैं क्या कर रहा हूं पिक्चर में. So I said, "Yeah, हम लोग ये करेंगे." He went into a discussion about my character. I had no clue what he was talking about. And I think this is the first time I'm telling you about this.
Yeah, I didn't know this.
So I've managed to pull this through with him. But it was so wonderful for Amir just to call, and it shows his enthusiasm for what he does. Uday and I are very junior in front of him, and it was purely our pleasure to work with him. But the fact that he was more excited to work with the whole team and with Victor and Katrina and Uday and myself, it was just, it's so wonderful when you get to work with people who don't only teach you, how to improve yourself as an actor, but just show you the kind of enthusiasm. He's like a child on set. He's so inquisitive and he's always playing some prank, or he wants to play a game and he's always discussing. Then you pack up and we go rehearse, and it's just a wonderful atmosphere that he creates.
Amir, there's a dialogue, circus wala hu, sirf aankhon ko nahi, maut ko धोखा देता हूँ रोज. Do you think that that is one of the dialogues that will become quite famous in terms of the dialogue bazi bit?
I don't know, yaar. I hope so.
Did you like it personally?
I hope so. Yeah, it's a great line. It's a great line. Guys, thank you so much. And before we end, I want to thank Victor for having written such a wonderful script and for making such a wonderful film. And Shudeep and Sumita for doing such wonderful work. आप लोगों ने तो इनको कोई सवाल ही नहीं पूछा, लेकिन मैं आप लोगों को बता दूं, जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे तो प्रोडक्शन डिज़ाइन और कैमरा वर्क इतना कमाल का है that you will be flabbergasted. Thank you so much. Thank you.